Call your question on the discussion board. 4 machine completes a project in 3 hours. How many machines are needed to complete the same project in 4 hours? Well, first thing you got to recognize is that the number of machines increase, the time will decrease, and so that they're inversely related. And so if you're inversely related, this is the equation. I let M be the number of machines and T be time. So M will equal K over T. So we're given that it takes 4 machines, 3 hours. So I put in the 4 and the 3, and I solve for K, multiply each side by 3, K is 12. So I come back up here and substitute in 12. So the equation for this particular example is the number of machines equals 12 over time. They say that the time is 4 hours. 12 over 4, number of machines would be 3 in this case. Hope that helps.